2025 customer support is undergoing a transformation. After a challenging 2024, where cost-cutting and limited resources strained teams, the focus is shifting. Support leaders are now prioritizing quality over mere efficiency. This year, the emphasis is on building trust, driving loyalty, and creating environments where teams can thrive. The data supports this shift, highlighting the importance of delivering meaningful, high-quality experiences at scale. The pendulum is swinging back from squeezing every ounce of efficiency to enhancing customer experience, or CX. In the State of Support Ops in 2025 report, improving CX quality emerged as the top priority for support leaders, surpassing cost-cutting. Scaling operations and driving measurable performance are now in the spotlight. This shift marks a departure from the relentless, do more with less mindset, requiring clarity to turn ambitions into action. To elevate CX quality, understanding your team's current standing is crucial. How do you compare to others in the industry? What's working, and where can you improve? This is where benchmarking comes in. By comparing your team's performance to peers, you uncover actionable insights to guide your next steps. Whether it's fine-tuning workforce management or equipping agents with the right tools, knowing where you stand today is the first step toward a better 2025. The benchmarking report aggregates performance data from various industries and company sizes, focusing on 4 key metrics: adherence, service level, first response time, and average handle time. Are agents sticking to their schedules? How often are they meeting service level agreements? How quickly are they responding to customers? And how long does it take to resolve issues? These metrics provide a comprehensive view of where improvements can be made. Every industry faces unique challenges. For instance, in SaaS, email handles over 80% of tickets, but struggles with a 41% SLA compliance rate. In e-commerce, email also dominates but has a 55% SLA compliance, suggesting workflow optimization opportunities. Meanwhile, real-time channels like chat and phone excel with faster responses and stronger SLA adherence, making them ideal for high-priority issues. Raise the bar on quality, refining workflows, and focusing on real-time channels are essential. Automating ticket triaging and escalation paths can cut delays and improve SLA performance. Investing in AI agent co-pilots can speed up resolutions and ensure on-brand replies. Balancing operational KPIs like SLA compliance with strategic outcomes like customer retention is key to driving success in 2025. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more. With hundreds of industry relationships, our specialists navigate the IT services landscape to find tailored solutions that meet your unique business needs.